I am pretty sure that every headphone review is paid and nobody actually uses their product, because how come I watched at least 20 videos both on YouTube and on TikTok about the Momentum 4, which is the headphone that I liked and I really wanted to get for almost a year. I saved up and I spent 300 euros for it, which is a lot of money, by the way. And just to find out all the problems, all the connection problems that came with it. Like, and I'm gonna mention it because nobody is talking about it. If you're thinking about getting these headphones, at least you know what you're getting into. Because okay, the sound quality is great, it's fantastic, but oh my god, the headache of all the problems. First of all, like if you connect to your PC and you put these on and you put them off, it's supposed to like pause the playback and everything. It doesn't do that if you connect more than one device, which is what's the point then? And also, it turns off after 15 minutes of playback when I use my computer, or it randomly turns off with no reason, for no reason whatsoever. And it's so frustrating. And I tried everything on the app. I tried to reset these headphones. I tried to do whatever I could, reset, reconnect, repair. It doesn't work. It still gives the same problem. Also, the touch controls are so finicky. Apart from the fact that you leave this nasty like fingerprint thingy on the actual headphones, and in the long run, it's gonna look like those keyboards that you're gonna use for a long time, like these faded keys. Yes, it's gonna do that. I'm pretty sure about it, and I don't think that they should have at least made it a different material or a better quality, or put some sort of, I don't know, some protector like those you put on your computer and the one you can change so it doesn't messes up. But anyway, the worst thing is that even when you don't use it with the computer, because when you use it with your PC, you can use the cable, right? And that kind of solves it. But with your phone, which is the main use of these headphones, it still does that. I mean, what the actual I just know, it's just so frustrating. It still turns off randomly, and I don't understand why. Sometimes it's 15 minutes after 15 minutes, sometimes it's after 40 minutes. I tried to clean the sensor. I read online that could be some moisture problem. It's not that. I tried everything. And guys, none of the 20 plus reviews that I saw ever mentioned these problems. And this is an old problem. And I'm pretty sure it's a problem that can be solved with a software update. But I've picked up some threads from Reddit, and they're from more than 2 years ago, 3 years ago even, and they never fixed it. So they're never gonna fix it. It's just so frustrating. I just throw away all the money for nothing, honestly. And I'm hoping like if someone sees it and is gonna buy it, at least they know. Like, try them on. If you're seeing the same problems in the first few days, return them, because it's not worth it. I'm telling you. It's a huge headache. I tried everything. I really thought it was like a me problem, but it's not. It's the headphone problems. And a lot of people have the same problem online. They just never mention it in those stupid reviews because they're all paid off. They don't use the actual headphones for a long time.